Hello, this is Mr. Lego here, and today we have another Lego set review. This is Lego set 76275. It is the motorcycle chase Spider-Man versus Doc Ock. It has a total of 77 pieces, and it is ages for 6 and up. So the reason I got this set was because I don't have a Spider-Man, and this one has one, right? But I also got this as well, the Venom street bike, and another one, the tie interceptor. And so we have a total of almost 3 Lego sets. If we combine them together, they'll make one, right? Just look at the pieces. 48 plus 77 plus 53. Somebody do the math and comment it down below. So today we'll be building this one and probably these two as well. I'll try to build them. So let's get building. Okay, here is the build. We got Spider-Man, the one I was looking for. That's the reason I bought this set. And we have Doc Ock, who is Venomized with half Venom, half Doc Ock. He has a double face, and I'll show that to you later. But let's look at the build. It was pretty easy. It's just a bike, not that hard to build. It's very normal. And then a lamp post. This is very unique. Has a bone, has fish, has a glass of wine or something, and a banana peel. Yeah, very interesting. So yeah, this is the build. Probably 9 out of 10. Not if you. This is kind of what you get for $8. So yeah, not bad. The good thing is I got Spider-Man. That's the only thing I wanted. Anyway, thank you for liking this video. Thank you for watching this video. And I hope you comment down below what other Lego sets you'd like me to do, so I can buy them, hopefully. And thank you again for watching the video. I hope you subscribe. Have a good day. Bye-bye.